Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to make a Likert scale in Google Forms. Now you can either create a new form or opening an existing form, but what you need to mainly do is add a new question. Then make this question a multiple choice grid question. Let me type in a question. Let's say, how satisfied are you with our YouTube channel? And in the row section, I want you to add your statements or questions. And in the column section, you basically add your Likert skill options. For example, strongly disagree, disagree, neutral, agree, strongly agree. So here we go. I have 5 different columns, basically 5 different options to choose from. And now here we need to add, the questions or statements, so let me go ahead and do that. So now I filled in the questions or statements. You can toggle this one on to require a response in each row. And what we can now do is go ahead and publish this form. Just come here to the top right, click on Publish. Click here on Publish again. And we can go ahead and preview this. Let's see what it would look like. So the responder will just come here and choose your options in the Likert scale. There we go. 1 response per row, and you can go ahead and submit. It's really that easy and simple as you can. If this video helps you out, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more tips.